Good morning, students. Welcome to all. In the lesson 3 L's of Empowerment by Christine Lagarde is a speech. In that, Christine Lagarde says that the 3 L's of empowerment are, that is the 3 L's of women empowerment are learning, labor and leadership. What she told about education. Here, education is the foundation, അടിത്തറയാണ്. And by getting education, we can gain anything. We can change. We can build the change. And here the learning, that is, the education helps women to break the shackles of exclusion. That means here by getting education, women can break the shackles. They can break the bondage. They can come out. They can think free. The next one is African adage, isn't it? In the African adage, here if you educate a boy, you train a man. If you educate a girl, you train a village. So here, education is the investment. Education is the investment. Here, the lighted candle that spread light around it, isn't it? So like that, the educated women spread knowledge, wisdom and culture to the family and to the society. That's why that's the meaning of the African adage. So by giving education to boy, you can train a man. And by giving education to women, you can spread knowledge, wisdom and culture, not only to the family but also to the society. Now can you understand about learning? Okay, next one is labor. Here labor means what? Job. Job opportunities. How women are getting job opportunities. Here first one, they are achieving true potential by getting what? By getting job, they can achieve true potential. By getting education, we will be conscious. Here by getting education, we will be conscious. Here by getting labor, that is by getting what? The job opportunities, we can achieve the true potential. Then the next one is saying about the low paying, low status and low security. So if the women are going for work, what they are tend to stuck? They are tend to stuck low status, low security and low paying. They are getting low salary. Though men and women are having same education and same occupation, they are getting what? Low salary. Why? What happened there? Here next one is says about the basic norms. Here basic norms here meaning basic idea. What should be the basic idea? There won't be any discrimination. So what should be the basic norm? What should be the basic idea? Equal pay for equal work. if they have same education and same occupation, they should give equal salary too. Then the recent researchers show that by eliminating gender gaps in economic participation can bring an increase of per capita income. So by eliminating the gender gaps, we can increase the per capita, that is the annual income. Up to that we have seen in the last class. Okay, now we are going to continue the next paragraph. Let me see. We can undoubtedly promote more opportunity for women in the workplace. We have to give more opportunity for women in the workplace. In the workplace, we can see most of the people are men, isn't it, when we compare to women. So here, we can undoubtedly promote, we should encourage the women, we should encourage women in the workplace. It is all about changing laws. If the laws are changed, what will happen? If the laws are changed, we will have here equal status and we will get equal paying, isn't it? So here, by ensuring that property and inheritance laws do not discriminate against women. Here, there won't be any distinguish between men and women. There won't be any distinguish between men and women. The law should be equal. They should make laws in equal way in property and in inheritance laws. സ്വത്തിനെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിട്ടും അതേപോലെ തന്നെ അതിൻ്റെ നിയമങ്ങളെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിട്ടും ഒരേപോലെ ആവണം സ്ത്രീകൾക്കും പുരുഷന്മാർക്കും. It also means policies that encourage education and health care. Here the policies that encourage, what are the policies they make? Here that encourage the education and health care. What are the policies they make to encourage education and health care? Here, if we have good health, we can get education. നല്ലൊരു ആരോഗ്യം ഉണ്ടായാൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് പഠിക്കാനും ഒക്കെയും സാധിക്കുള്ളൂ. Here, it means policies that encourage education and health care. Here, women will be conscious when she get education. Women will be conscious when she get what? Education. About rights and responsibilities. She will be conscious about the rights and responsibilities only if she get knowledge. So here, moreover, we need to provide greater access to credit so that women can achieve greater economic independence. So, learning and labor are key factors. Here, we need to provide greater access to credit. We need to provide. We need to give what? Greater access to credit. Here, the government is ready to or need to give more loan to women for their progress, for women progress. So here, By that they can achieve greater economic independence. So by that they can achieve. അവർക്ക് നേടിയെടുക്കാൻ സാധിക്കും. In the here what they can achieve? They can progress in their economic field. They can progress in the economic field. So here we need to provide greater access to credit so that women can achieve greater economic independence. So learning and labor are key factors. First one, we should have learning. That I have told you that learning is the thing that we have to make, and that education is the investment. Isn't it? Education is the investment. So by getting education, they will be conscious, women will be conscious of their rights and responsibilities, and they can achieve true potential. Okay, they can achieve true potential. So learning and labor. So women, after getting education, they won't sit in the four walls. They should face the challenges. They should have self-confidence. Then only they can meet the challenges, the obstacles, whichever it may be. They should ready to face that. Here the third one, that is third L, is leadership. That enables women to rise and fulfill their innate abilities and talents. Here the third one, here the three L's. In the three L's, first one is learning, second one is labor, and the third one is leadership. Here the third L is leadership, that enables women to rise and fulfill their innate abilities and talents. What is the meaning of innate? Here inborn abilities. Some person, they will have inborn talents, inborn abilities. Here that is termed as innate abilities. Again, innate here meaning inborn abilities and talents. So the third L is leadership. That enables women to rise and fulfill their innate abilities and talents. If they get leadership quality, they can prove their talents. Isn't it? So here in classroom itself, some students, they will study well, but they won't participate in sports or any other things. They are not ready to face the challenges. So here for those people, if they get the leadership quality, here they won't ready to face the leadership quality. Here that L is leadership, that enables women to rise. The people, that is the women who are ready to face the challenges, it will prove their talents and inborn abilities. Here there is plenty of room for improvement. There are number of chances for their improvement. Here in Kudumbashree unit, number of women are in Kudumbashree unit. How they are managing that unit? What are they doing in that? That unit, that Kudumbashree unit, that make women to be in progress. Isn't it? So here, in Kudumbashree unit itself, they are making liquids. Then, they are making snacks. Isn't it? And number of things like that. Let me see that. Then, here, let me say about political leaders. Indira Gandhi, she is ready to face the challenges, the obstacles, whatever it may be. She is considered to be the Iron Lady, isn't it? Here, the number of women minister, they are proving that they are ready to challenges, to face the challenges. Now, number of councillors, most of the councillors are women. They are showing their abilities, they are showing their potential to make that ward inactive. They are doing number of things, isn't it? So like men, women can also do the things in better way. Then as pilot, number of women pilots are there. Here another one, conductors. Number of women conductors are now. They too are facing number of challenges, but still they are ready to do that. Isn't it? Here next one is, now we have heard about that the tanker lorry driver, Delisha. She is only 22 years old and her father is supporting her for her confidence. Isn't it? So here, number of women are ready to face the challenges. Then in Africa, let me say about that. In Africa, women are the caretakers of the family. They are the responsible person of the family. Here, there is a saying that women can do better than men. Here, the women can do anything better than men. So like that, we have a number of examples are now. Here the women are having that empowerment. Here, the irony is that when women lead, they tend to do as good a job as others, if not a better job. Here, in Africa, that's a saying that women can do a better job than men. Here, the irony is that when women lead, they tend to do as good a job as others, if not a better one. If women have lack of confidence, what they have to do? They have to change their mind and they should come forward. Okay, here They tend to do as good a job as others, if not a better job. Okay, let me wind up the class here. Let's see the next class. Okay, thank you.